Want a dependable car you can buy today for under $15,000? Here are 15 models that won't let you down, and one secret pick at the end you'll wish you knew sooner. Stay with me, because at the end I reveal the one car that consistently hits 300,000 kilometers plus and still runs like new, so you'll know what to aim for. Shopping for a used car in 2025 is tough. High prices, hidden problems, confusing history. My promise, I'll walk you through 15 reliable models, each under $15,000, and we'll cover the years to target, realistic mileage ranges, and what it costs to maintain them. You'll get 3 things. 1. Strong value compacts. 2. Sensible SUVs. 3. A truck and a luxury wildcard. These suggestions are grounded in extended reliability data, owner experience reports, and used market pricing trends. I filtered for models with solid parts availability, known maintenance costs, and minimal surprise failures. Starting at number 15, Nissan Rogue, 2017 to 2019. This compact SUV is one of those cars you see everywhere, and for good reason. In the $10,000 to $15,000 price range, with mileage usually between 80,000 and 140,000 miles, it offers plenty of cargo room, great visibility, and an easy driving experience. It's a good choice if you need something practical without spending SUV luxury money. Maintenance costs are moderate, and as long as the CVT was serviced on time, it's a smooth, reliable daily. 14. Ford Fusion, 2017 to 2018, sitting in the $9,000 to $14,000 range, with mileage typically around 70,000 to 130,000 miles. The Fusion gives you comfort, modern features, and great highway manners. It's one of the few affordable sedans with good crash test ratings and solid reliability for the price. Go for the 2.5-liter engine if you want simple and low-cost maintenance. The EcoBoost adds pep, but it needs proper servicing. 13. Acura ILX, 2015 to 2017. If you've ever wanted something with a bit of luxury without the painful repair bills, this is it. With prices between $10,000 and $15,000 and mileage usually around 70,000 to 120,000, the ILX gives you Honda reliability in a premium suit. The cabin feels more refined, the seats are supportive, and it's an excellent commuter that also looks more upscale than a regular Civic. 12. Toyota Prius Vi, 2015 to 2017. Around $11,000 to $15,000 gets you this ultra-practical hybrid wagon. Typical mileage falls between 100,000 and 180,000 miles, and if serviced well, these can easily go far beyond that. Owners love how cheap it is to run. Fuel savings alone can pay off the purchase difference over a few years. Just make sure the hybrid system and battery are in good shape, and it will last you a long time. 11. Mazda 6, 2015 to 2017. This sedan is a sweet spot between fun and affordable. Usually priced $9,000 to $14,000, with 70,000 to 130,000 miles, it delivers a more engaging driving experience than many rivals in its class. If you want something that doesn't feel boring but also won't bleed your wallet, the Mazda 6 is a top contender. Keep up with basic maintenance and it will reward you with both comfort and style. 10. Honda CR-V, 2015 to 2016. In the $12,000 to $15,000 price range, and often with 90,000 to 170,000 miles, the CR-V is known for being one of the easiest SUVs to own. Owners love its excellent visibility, great fuel economy, and how rarely it surprises them with major repairs. It's the definition of buy once, drive daily. Just confirm the CVT fluid is clean and suspension is in good shape. 9. Toyota RAV4, 2015 to 2017. For about $12,000 to $15,000, you can find these with 110,000 to 180,000 miles. It's simple, rugged, and a top pick for anyone who wants an SUV with near Camry reliability. The 2.5-liter engine is known to handle high mileage well. If you need a crossover that can handle family life, commuting, and light trips, this is it. 8. Toyota Prius, 2015 to 2017. For $10,000 to $15,000 and mileage around 90,000 to 180,000 miles, this hybrid legend is built to go the distance. Fuel costs are minimal, and brake wear is extremely low because of its regenerative system. Plenty of Priuses easily cross 200,000 miles with just routine care. 7. Mazda 3, 2015 to 2019. Priced between $9,000 and $14,000 with mileage from 60,000 to 120,000 miles. This compact sedan or hatchback is loved for being light, agile, and efficient. It's a great choice for younger buyers, students, or anyone who wants something reliable but not boring. Keep an eye on infotainment quirks, but otherwise, these cars are bulletproof. 6. Honda Accord, 2015 to 2018. Around $11,000 to $15,000, with 90,000 to 160,000 miles. The Accord is the go-to midsize sedan for long-term dependability. It's roomy, smooth on the highway, and built with simple mechanicals. Whether it's the 2.4-liter engine or the V6, these cars are known to outlast their owners when properly maintained. 5. Toyota Camry, 2015 to 2019. This is the car for people who just want something that works. For $11,000 to $15,000 and mileage between 90,000 and 170,000 miles, the Camry is one of the easiest sedans to own. It's quiet, smooth, and incredibly forgiving. Many examples still drive like new at 150,000 miles or more. 4. Toyota Corolla, 2017 to 2020. Typically between $10,000 and $14,000, with 60,000 to 120,000 miles, the Corolla is the safe bet for anyone who wants minimal upkeep. Insurance is cheap, parts are everywhere, and even if something goes wrong, repairs rarely break the bank. 3. Honda Civic, 2015 to 2020. This classic compact sits at $10,000 to $15,000. Usually with 70,000 to 140,000 miles. It's practical, easy to live with, and offers a more refined feel than many competitors. Civic owners often keep their cars for a decade, and with good reason. 2. Toyota Highlander, 2014 to 2015. For about $12,000 to $15,000, with 130,000 to 200,000 miles, this 3-row SUV is ideal for families who want space and proven reliability. The 3.5-liter V6 is a workhorse. Yes, maintenance is slightly higher, but it's a vehicle built to last. 1. Toyota Tacoma, 2014 to 2015. This is the king of longevity. While you'll find it at the upper edge of $15,000, usually with higher mileage, a well-maintained Tacoma is almost unkillable. It's tough, capable, and holds its value better than nearly anything else on this list. Just check the frame carefully for rust, and you've got a truck that can serve for years. So in short, if you want dependable value under $15,000, start with the compacts like the Civic or Corolla. Move to the mid-size sedans like Camry or Accord for more space. Go SUVs like RAV4 or CR-V if you need versatility. Pick the Prius models for ultra-low running cost. And choose the Highlander or Tacoma only if you really need 3 rows or truck utility, and are okay with a higher maintenance budget. Which one would you buy right now, and why? Let me know in the comments below. Before you finish, don't forget to check out my last video, 15 worst cars to buy in 2025, so you know what to avoid just as clearly.